So what's the deal, y'all? Back with another one, and I want to start this video off by saying I'm sorry, okay? I feel like I've been neglecting my entire audience, and partly it's because I've been busy, man. That's the best excuse I can possibly come up with. I've been busy. If anybody ever seen this guy right here, his name is Tai Lopez. Tai Lopez was a famous internet entrepreneur, mainly famous for scamming millions of people into reading more books. I was one of those people that he scammed into reading more books and kind of inadvertently helped my life out. But nowadays, Tai Lopez has zero respect amongst, this social elites these days, because they just kind of feel like he took advantage of his audience by posing in a garage with the Ferrari behind him. But he taught me something very important that I observed about that entire experience. The reason why he had millions of people listening to every word he would say, whether he say, hey, work out while you drink Kool-Aid, you're gonna lose weight, or go read a book while you're doing push-ups, you're gonna learn faster. We was doing whatever Tai recommended because we felt like just because he had it, his words were kind of more validated, if that makes sense. For me personally, I always thought that, okay, once I'm where Tai is, once I have $1 million in my bank account, once I have a mansion and a Ferrari, then I can go on and be a life coach where people are gonna listen to every word that I say, and I'll just pretty much be successful from there. But it's not working like that. It did not go how I thought it would. It did not go according to plan. What I've noticed, I thought the more success that I achieved in my personal life will make me want to get on social media more and just kind of share it and put out more videos and try to inspire more people, right? It's been the exact opposite. The more success I've been finding in my personal life, the less and less I give a fuck about like posting videos and trying to give other people encouragement. You get what I'm saying? Because like I'm so grateful for where I am, and I'm like, if I don't keep working, then I'm gonna have to go back to where I was, and that's what kind of helps me light a fire under my own ass, basically. So, but it's been challenging, guys, like to stop what I'm doing and know that there's a whole world out there that needs some advice, that needs some help, especially during these crazy times. And just to know I have information that can help, but sometimes the information doesn't seem like it's being valued. So you gotta understand that for people like me who kind of going on a street corner and singing and nobody's dropping anything in a bucket, you're just like, well, hey, I'm gonna go to the corner where they paying me. So I spend a lot of my days just handling content for, paid clients, basically. And by the time I'm done doing content for paid clients, I barely feel like doing any content on my own. And that's just kind of been the loop that I've been in. And make no mistakes, I've definitely found a lot more success in my personal life. I've been trying to encourage more people to take a look at cryptocurrencies and just kind of do your research on what's happening in blockchain, why our world is shifting so fast, what's going on out there in the world of economics with Federal Reserve printing trillions of dollars. Like, I've been trying to keep people updated and just doing the best I can, and I haven't done a good job at all of just not giving a fuck and just putting out content. Because that's what it's ultimately about as content creators. Like, we don't know when our last day is. So this is the only moment that you have to shine, like when it's being put out there. You get what I'm saying? So another thing I wanted to talk about what inspired me to wear this shirt, okay? Most people that I know in my life, my personal life, they're not very fulfilled with where they are. Most of them are working a job that they're really not happy about. And so I think this shirt kind of embodies what it means to be an entrepreneur, because I was afraid every single time I left a job to go pursue a business opportunity. The first 3 times I tried it, I failed. Like, I made zero money. Like, I didn't impact anybody's life, and mainly because I was focused on money, but that's a whole nother topic. But when I changed my mindset and started asking myself, well, how can I help more people? That's when I noticed the business started taking off. And so by me leaving Quicken Loans, when I did, I was proving what this shirt says about the fact that faith conquers fear. Sometimes you have to show the universe that you're willing to do it. Like, prove to me that you trust me. How are you going to prove it? Sometimes you have to go to the extreme to prove it. And so for me personally, that extreme has always been leaving the safe option, which is a 9-to-5, and kind of just going after an opportunity. And so it's gotten me here so far. A few years ago, when I first started studying business systems, how to develop a system with your business to make it run more efficiently. And this was some extensive training me and my buddy went through. We did not get paid to sit down and learn how to build systems for that entire summer of 2018. And for a while, it felt like a complete waste of time. We was getting all this information, but it wasn't generating revenue. Fast forward 3 years, and now we're in a position where we can actually apply everything that we learned. And so lately I've been trying to build relationships with new people who want to be a part of Rock Bros Media, who's inspired by the work that we've been doing and just kind of want to learn that business advice. So I've been hosting clubhouse rooms, private clubhouse rooms every Tuesday with people who are interested in learning more about the craft of videography, just business in general. So if you're one of those people who are interested in how the craft works, just let me know, just DM me. And I make sure I can send you a link to the next session that we have. So, but yeah, it's been an incredible opportunity getting to teach people what we learned several years ago, you know, and just kind of like saving them time, because that's what we're here to do, right? Provide each other value, save each other time, so that the next person can be better than the previous person. And anybody who comes under my circle or under my wing, my goal is to never hold any information back from you. I want to give you enough information to where you can just go beyond what I taught you. It's been an incredible opportunity. So when I tell y'all, like, I'm not like remorseful at all that I haven't been posting content, because I've still been impacted, and that's what's important. Like, it don't matter what people see you doing online. What are you doing when nobody's watching? What are you doing when the cameras ain't rolling? You know what I mean? Man, I've been learning more about just graphics, 3D animation effects, and After Effects. And this, what I'm learning right now, is about, it's very difficult to just sit down and focus, but it's going to pay off big time. Like, if I just stay locked in with what I'm learning, I'm gonna be creating some mind-bending, high-quality videos. And I'm excited, like, and I'm grateful to be excited for this opportunity. So like I said, aside from that, I've been giving my impact out there, just trying to find ways that I can systematize the business better, so at some point I can fire myself, right? So I can remove myself from day-to-day operations and dealing with the small, minuscule tasks that, you know, most of us business owners have to deal with every single day. So, but that's what it's about, trying to figure out how to eliminate those everyday repetitive tasks. If I've ever given you any type of value, do me a huge favor, comment below what you want me to talk about next. I'll research the topic and I'll literally just give my input on it. If it's some advice that you want, I'll throw that advice out there.